What to do when fraudulent accounts hurt your credit. Have you ever found yourself in a situation where fraudulent accounts are damaging your credit? It can be alarming and stressful, but there are clear steps you can take to address this issue. Let's walk through the process together. First, it is essential to act quickly. The sooner you respond, the better you can limit the damage to your credit history. Start by placing a fraud alert on your credit reports. You can do this by contacting one of the 3 major credit bureaus, Experian, Equifax, or TransUnion. This alert will notify potential creditors to take extra steps to verify your identity before opening new accounts. A fraud alert typically lasts for 1 year and can be renewed if needed. Next, obtain your credit reports. You are entitled to a free copy from each of the 3 major credit reporting agencies. Carefully review these reports to identify any fraudulent accounts or incorrect information. This step is crucial for understanding the extent of the issue. Once you have identified the fraudulent accounts, file an identity theft report. You can do this at identitytheft.gov or by visiting your local police department. This report is vital for disputing fraudulent debts and getting them removed from your credit reports. Now, it is time to dispute the fraudulent information with the credit bureaus. Send a dispute letter to each bureau reporting the fraudulent accounts. Include a copy of your identity theft report, proof of your identity, and a detailed description of the fraudulent accounts. The credit bureaus are required to investigate and must block fraudulent information from your credit report within 4 business days after receiving your request. Do not forget to contact the creditors involved. Notify the companies where the fraudulent accounts were opened. Provide them with your identity theft report and ask them to close or correct the accounts. Once you inform them, creditors cannot send identity theft-related debts to collections. If you suspect ongoing fraud or identity theft, consider placing a credit freeze. A credit freeze restricts access to your credit report, preventing new accounts from being opened in your name without your permission. This is a strong protective measure. After you have resolved the fraudulent accounts, continue to monitor your credit regularly. This helps ensure no new fraudulent activity appears. You can also sign up for credit monitoring services for added protection. If these fraudulent accounts have impacted your ability to manage student loans or qualify for student loan forgiveness programs, it is important to inform your loan servicer or the relevant student loan authority. Provide documentation of the identity theft and the steps you have taken to repair your credit. By following these steps, you can work towards removing fraudulent accounts from your credit report and protecting yourself from further damage. Acting promptly is vital to minimize the impact on your financial health, including your student loan options and eligibility for relief programs.